All right, good morning from Nassau, right across from the big resorts. For some reason, Atlantis, that's the name of it. All right, so if you have not been to Nassau before or have not been to Nassau in a while, a lot has changed. First and foremost, I do apologize about the wind. I can't control that. All right, so they have spent so much money and time making this compound area so much more pleasant. You used to get off the ship and walk right into the town of Nassau, and it was full of peddlers and it just felt dirty. Now you walk right into a great, clean, pleasant compound. Now, granted, it's a lot more commercialized now, but it's still so much nicer than it was. Oh, when I say commercialized, I don't mean like McDonald's and all that. I just mean like nicer, cleaner, bigger shops and all that. And there's the ship. Beautiful ship. Whew. It's supposed to be like 78 degrees and windy today, but it is nonetheless a beautiful, beautiful day.
Sir, you want to go to a nice beach? ATVs, scooters, side by side.
So it's easy to find transportation. They'll take you anywhere on the island. Any type of excursion, it's here. Like I said, right outside these gates here, that's where the town is. Probably start right over here just to do a quick little walkthrough, give you an idea of what the compound looks like, because like I said, it's nice. Anything you want that's local, you can get it here. I guess they do have a Starbucks. I mean, you could still go and walk over to the straw market if you want and see all the stuff there and support more of the actual locals. You know, the people that make some of the stuff, you can get there. Now, a lot of this stuff is kind of copy and paste. So if you've seen one, you've seen them all. I have not really tried to do any kind of negotiating on price. This is actually kind of cool right here. It does a 360-degree picture of you. So if you want to see how big your backside or front side is at any angle, then you can see it if you wanted to. I'm not sure exactly what this archway thing is. I don't know if it's shade and they do concerts here, but it looks like they do concerts or performances here. And then just right there is the exit. So we're just gonna turn back around, give you an idea of what the other side of the row of stores. Oh, they got free beer, topless bartenders, and false advertising. Boy, man. This place here has world famous conch burgers. Never had a conch that I'm aware of, but I don't know if I would want to try one, to be honest. World famous cracked conch and chicken. Apparently it's the best. You can get gelato. I don't know why you'd necessarily go to Nassau and be like, I want gelato. I don't know if it'd be any good. Who knows? Now there are a lot of places here that will do like free samples. So if you want to try like Tortuga rum bread or rum or other snacks, like little things, you can sample them before you buy them, which is kind of nice. If you want to drink out of a pineapple or a coconut, also fine.
Drinks in a coconut, drinks in a pineapple.
Thank you.
Let me give you a Bahama Mama and a cup.
Yeah?
Coconut rum and go rum tequila and vodka. Be my first. You ready?
How much?
$12 right now for Bahama Mama. This guy has me on camera. He's going to be my first for the morning. Come on, buddy. You ready?
I'm gonna come back.
All right, buddy.
All right. Thanks, man. I don't know what I just drank. Actually, at all. It was fruity, but it was good. Whatever it was. $12 for a Bahama Mama, though. All right. So that is the whole compound in a nutshell. Let's take a look here and give you an idea of just how much the Museum of Junkanoo is. If you ever decide to learn about Junkanoo. $11. And $8.25 for kids, no photography. So I couldn't take you in there even if I wanted to. But it's kind of cool. Alright. So there you have it. There is the compound of Nassau. And just how much it's changed. Like I said, if you've been here before, then for a couple of years, you'll know that it used to be pretty sketch. Now it's not. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumb up, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you later. Bye.